Hey, this is Matias with Toast, here with another installation video for you. Today we're going to install a maple wood cover on the brand new Sonos Era 100 speaker. Let's get to it. So included in your Toast packaging is your full kit to wrap the Sonos speaker. So inside the kit is this is the main wrap cover. We've got a top panel, and then this continues the main panel, and then a little button card and an alcohol wipe for cleaning. Packaging includes detailed instructions on installation and alignment points to help you get it aligned perfectly the first time. You'll also want a rag of some sort to clean off the alcohol. And then it's helpful to have a set of tweezers or something just to get a couple of the little button pieces. So to start, we're going to clean, make sure that we can get a good bond onto the Sonos speaker. So we'll grab our alcohol wipe. Give it a good cleaning. And then we'll dry off that alcohol. We're going to start with the back panel. It goes over the buttons. Peel off the backing paper to expose the adhesive. So just get it nicely aligned with the top and very even around the buttons there. And then press that into place. To install the main cover over the speaker, you're going to want to have it upside down, and then the alignment is going to be with that Sonos logo. So having it upside down means it's going to be flush with that top edge, and then we're going to get that Sonos logo. So you can see by test fitting it before you install, that Sonos logo kind of fits right into the cutouts in the cover. So when you're ready to go, peel off that backing paper. You're going to want to make sure you remove it all. Lay it down so it's flat on the table there, and then press it over the letters to get that alignment there. It just pops down over the letters. And once that's in place, what you're going to do is just going to rotate the speaker, making sure that it's, you know, the cover is flat on the table, and just rotate the speaker, laying the cover on. And then I'm going to just repeat it with the other side. Just gonna holding the cover kind of straight, making sure it's flush on the bottom there, and then wrapping that over. And it'll join up with that first panel. So that's the trickiest bit. You got the main speaker cover on. So the next is going to be the top panel. And this has cutouts for the microphones and indicators for all the touch buttons. And I find it easiest to start with the listening mic hole there, because it's in the middle. So what you're going to do is align that hole up, and then align the 4 other remaining mic holes. So we'll peel off the backing paper, expose that adhesive, and then we got that single mic hole down there. We line that up. That's fairly easy to get one hole lined up, and then shift it until you get the other 4 perfectly aligned, and it's nice and flush on the top. And then inside the volume slider, we're just going to press that down to take the shape of the plastic underneath there. Last but not least, we have our button card. So we've got 2 round ones that actually go in the Sonos logo to fill in the O's, and then we've got 2 buttons. And this is where the tweezers come in handy if you have thick fingers. And what you're going to undo is just kind of line it up over the hole and press it in there. And then the last 2 are the buttons on the back. There's the Bluetooth sync button and the listening button. So that's how you toast your Sonos Era 100 speaker. And if you got any suggestions for the next device for us to toast, feel free to leave it in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.